Welcome and welcome back, beautiful people. It's me, Greyglamma GGM. Today I made cinnamon and lemon cupcake. It came out yummy. You will love it. You will love it. I am going to show you how I made it. Meanwhile, don't forget to like this video, comment on the video, and leave me a comment, and also share the video. Thank you. These are the ingredients that I used. I used flour, all-purpose flour, a pinch of salt, cinnamon powder, and baking powder. You mix everything together and set apart. Then in another bowl, you mix room temperature butter and sugar. You add sugar to your own taste. Meanwhile, I will leave the ingredients and their quantities in the description box so you can go there and consult it, okay? Mix the butter and sugar very well. Then you start adding the eggs. You add one egg. Mix it together very well. You add the second egg. Mix it together very well. That's the reason why you need a mixer, because you can't mix it very well with just a spatula. Then you add the third egg. Mix it very well until the mixture is creamy. And when you have mixed everything together very well, you now add the lemon zest. Then add the dry ingredients, that is the flour, baking powder, cinnamon powder, and salt. You add them to the liquid ingredients and turn with a spatula to get this consistency that you're seeing now. I have this cupcake pepper that I bought from the supermarket. That's what I'm going to use to make it. Just add a little quantity to each pepper, because when you are baking it, it will still rise. So that's the reason why you have to make it a little. And that's it. When you have done everything, when you have added the dough to the cupcake paper, you now bake at 150 degrees for 20 minutes, and you have your homemade cinnamon and lemon cupcake. Isn't it gorgeous? Is it not gorgeous? Just see how it came out. Yummy, lovely, and beautiful, and healthy, because it has no additives, it has no preservatives. It is homemade. You made it in your kitchen, you enjoy it in your home with your favorite beverage. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel if you have not, share the video, and comment on the video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye.